Hey brothers, let's talk about wasted time. How much do you think you waste in a day? The thing about wasted time is it's different for everyone. Maybe it's struggling through studying that doesn't stick, or mindlessly scrolling social media for hours without a laugh. No matter how you waste time, the important thing is that wasted time adds up, especially when you're young. Imagine a snowball rolling downhill. The longer it rolls, the bigger and more powerful it becomes. That's kind of how your habits work. The things you do today, good or bad, have a bigger impact on your future self. That's why it's important to be mindful of how you spend your time. The good news? There are tons of ways to spend your time that actually benefit you. Getting a good night's sleep, spending quality time with loved ones, or even just going for a walk in nature. All these things can make a big difference in your life. But here's the catch. We often waste time without even realizing it. You know that feeling when you spend forever browsing Netflix and can't find anything interesting to watch? That's wasted time. It's okay to relax and play games or watch movies sometimes. But if you're not even enjoying it, that's a sign you're probably wasting time. Think about it this way. The choices you make today affect the person you'll be tomorrow. Wouldn't you rather set yourself up for success by making good choices now? If you feel like your life isn't quite where you want it to be, ask yourself a powerful question. What if I stopped wasting time? You might be surprised at how much you can achieve by making small changes in how you spend your day. How much you can achieve by simply focusing on activities that bring you closer to your goals. It's all about making the most of your time and investing in yourself for a brighter future. Leave a comment below and tell me, what are you going to do to stop wasting time? And while you're at it, smash that subscribe button for more motivation to crush your goals.